Another day of protests, stronger than before, from Jantar Mantar to outside the residence of Prime Minister Modi. This follows what many would have called a day of protests, lathi charge and tear gas shells, an attempted clampdown to a reluctant outreach. No words of assurance. The CJP and Wangchuk saying they will continue their protests. To Rahul Gandhi saying attack on students is an attack on every Indian household. The question we are asking is, why is the CJP NEET protest stinging the Modi government? This is no longer just a protest over an examination. It is rapidly evolving into a larger political test for the Narendra Modi government. For over a decade, the BJP has built a formidable connect with India's aspirational youth. First-time voters and young job seekers played a crucial role in the party's victories in 2014 and 19 as well as 2024. But with signs of a dip in the NDA's youth vote share in 2024, the CJP-led NEET protests have the potential to deepen that disconnect. The second challenge is the middle class. Competitive exams are not just about students. They're also about families who invest years of hard work, money and hope. Every crackdown, every restriction on protests and every allegation of administrative insensitivity risks widening public anger beyond campuses and into households. The protests have also handed the opposition a rare unifying issue. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Mallikarjun Kharge have taken the fight to the streets. Dharna near Prime Minister Modi's residence, Sharad Pawar and Arvind Kejriwal have joined demonstrations at Jantar Mantar. The CJP and Sonam Wangchuk protests have also ensured that Parliament remains locked in confrontation. Politically, the agitation is cutting across traditional caste equations. Unlike many electoral issues, allegations of paper leaks and demands for exam integrity resonate with students across caste and regional lines, making conventional political arithmetic less effective. And finally, there is the optics battle. Images of police action, allegations of delayed responses, and the narrative of a government seen as cracking down on aspirants are dominating social media and digital platforms. It has become one of the biggest political challenges confronting the Modi government in this controversy. And then you have the leader of the opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mallikarjun Kharge, accused the chairman of Rajya Sabha of shutting his mic off while he was raising the paper leak issue and allegations of a crackdown against the protesters. So the question isn't why is the CJP NEET protest stinging Modi government. Instead, it is how bad is the CJP NEET protest sting against the Modi government. I'm being joined at this point by Sanjay Rana, who's a political analyst, Nighat Abbas, who's a Congress spokesperson, Ishita Singh, who's an actress as well as an influencer, and Shivaji Sarkar, who's a senior journalist, should be joining us shortly. Ishita, good evening. Thank you for joining us. You were also part of the protests. Okay, I believe Ishita is not with us at this point, should be joining us shortly. Sanjay Rana?
I am there. I'm there. Can you hear me?
All right. Sanjay Rana joins us right now. Sanjay Rana, good evening. Sanjay Rana, the simple question that we are asking is, how are you looking at the government's response at this point? They really seem to be on the back foot, to put it very mildly.
Good evening and good evening to our fellow panelists. First of all, I fail to understand why you call this agitation as a student agitation. Obviously, it started with the...
I did not call this agitation a students' agitation. Not once.
It's a cockroach party. Obviously, take it as
I did not call this a students' agitation.
Whatever the synonyms.
I called it a youth agitation. I didn't say a students'
whatever
agitation.
the name you want to use it, you can use it. The people, those who are there, they don't even know what's the full form of the NEET. They don't even know what's the full form of CBSE. They don't know how many marks you need to be there to obtain, to qualify it, and what is the total marks in the NEET. They don't even know what they're doing, and you're talking about the protest of the student protest. I don't think the student protest is absolutely political. It was a student protest, and I have been with the student. I'm absolutely empathizing, not sympathizing with the students. And government is taking action, no doubt on that. But when you're talking about the political matter, obviously these guys.
Sanjay Rana, I'm sorry, I'm coming in at this point, and I will come back to you. You will only get your time to speak. But I'm interjecting at this point. I am not taking away from the political protests. By sure, there are political protests. Sure, CJP is a party for what it is. There are other political parties, and we're showing the visuals right on our screen. Nowhere have we said this is a student protest alone. Nowhere. But to condescend and to say that there are students who are protesting there, young people who are part of this protest, who are not really political by their affiliation, and to say they don't even know how CBSE is spelled? How can even somebody come up with an argument like this, sir?
Sorry, I'm not buying your point. I have been there. I visited.
And are you saying, because I will fact check this, I will go to non-political students.
I'm 200% sure that not being to that place, I physically present at that particular place, and I've seen the kind of people, those who have attended. I'm not denying the student who are not there. But the student, look at the number, 25,000 maybe a total. If you look at the yesterday's number and look at the population which we have and look at the need, students who appeared for the examination, how many qualified for the examination is a peanut. But why we are talking about the narratives is not at all a narrative. Government is taking corrective action to make sure that students should not face any problem. When we talk about the NEET students, there is no paper leak happen in past. It's happened, but it's the government job to make sure that this kind of activity should not repeat.
And the government has failed.
Therefore, I'm
and the government has failed.
Therefore, the government made the law in 2024. There was no such law before 2024.
The government has failed. Do you agree to that?
Sorry.
The government has failed.
No, why it's failed? Do you think government is involved with that?
You said your job is to ensure that paper leaks don't happen. It has happened, not once. Since NEET, there are others as well. Has the government failed?
There's a coaching institute. That there's a person who's part of giving a question and creating a question or making a paper. Who was the part of this whole things, and obviously how this leaks happen. So we need to look at who all were there and how government has taken the action. Government has taken the action, and everybody. I prepared for IIT. I could not able to qualify, but I know if you are taking a 5 years paper, if you're taking a 6-year paper, and if you do the exercise, 60 to 70% almost you'll find this repetition of the same. So therefore, you're blaming a government, and this kind of
Who should be blamed, sir?
Political protest.
Who should be blamed, sir?
They cannot
Who
even
should be
win
blamed,
a single
sir?
election. They cannot even win a single election.
Who
and
should be
going
blamed,
behind,
sir?
standing behind the students. And
Mr.
just
Sanjay
taking
Rana,
this
who should be blamed?
No, why should it blame? It's just
Who should be
political
blamed?
From
Who
the
should be
last
held
4 months,
responsible?
From last 1
If
year,
not the government, who?
everyone, take it Kejriwal, take it Rahul Gandhi, take it all the opposition leaders.
So we should hold Arvind Kejriwal and Rahul Gandhi responsible for the paper
I'll give you one
leaks?
example.
Nighat Abbas, come in please.
Look at the similarities. I'll give you the similarities. Look at the similarities of Bangladesh and look at the similarities of India agitation. Similarities of Bangladesh started in July. Look at
Can you talk to the sense here?
How they have raised
Can
the
you
story.
please talk to the sense here?
They have set up the story on behind, obviously behind the
Can I
student.
please get
And
my
this is
chance
against
to
the
speak, and can we
Nighat
please?
Abbas, go ahead. Speak,
Thumbs up.
please.
Thank you. I really do not understand as to why Mr. Rana has been just, murmuring about some random explanations about the government. Sorry, my friend, yesterday what Indian youth had witnessed, that is probably the darkest chapter
God,
in
they were the
Indian
youths.
politics.
They were the
One.
goons.
Point number two, in
There's a
12
difference
years of
between the
Narendra
goons and there's a
Modi's
difference
leadership,
between the students.
this was
I have
the
not seen
darkest
any
chapter
student over
when
there,
students.
Nighat
No, I did
Abbas.
not
And
interrupt.
few years back,
No, I
the
did not.
lady was
No,
sitting just
I'll
next
not
to me.
speak like this. I'll
The
not speak
lady
like this.
sitting next to me, he was
I'll be
praising
quiet.
Prime Minister Modi, and she is talking about the Congress.
Sanjay
Because
Rana,
she-
we'll come to you.
she-
Sanjay Rana, we'll come to you.
What
Let
was the
Nighat
problem?
Abbas speak. Let Nighat Abbas speak. Go ahead.
understand this human being is not
No,
able to understand.
what kind of ideology you have?
Sanjay
You
Rana,
are
allow
talking
Nigat
about
Abbas to
Bharatiya
speak.
Janata Party. You are
Sanjay
claiming
Rana,
to stand
Sanjay
in the
Rana,
law.
Sanjay
And
Rana,
I will
Sanjay
not
Rana,
stand steady.
Sanjay
I will
Rana,
not
let
share
Nigat Abbas
Nigat
speak. I
Abbas
will be coming
also,
right back to you.
because she
This
was
is
a
not a
part
show
of
where
the
anybody's
Janata
voice is
Party.
clamped
And she
down.
was saying
Unlike what
that
happens
the government
outside
has
on the
to
streets,
change
this is
the
not a
sector.
show where anybody's
No,
voice
I'm
is
not gonna do
clamped
like
down.
that.
There is no point, sir. There is no point talking over somebody. Let Nigat Abbas speak. I will come back to you, sir. I will come back to you. Sanjay Rana, I will come back to you with all due respect. I will. Nigat Abbas, go ahead. Make your point.
Please, I would request you that nobody should interrupt me because this is a very fragile matter. This
Make
is a
your
very
point, Nigat Abbas. Go ahead.
It's a fragile.
No, this is not. This is
Oh
not.
my
Nigat
God.
Abbas, make your point. Go ahead.
Oh my God.
Go ahead. Make your
You have to
point.
understand.
You sorry, he's continuously speaking
Those
over
who
me. I
change
cannot.
the
Sorry.
Sanjay Rana, Sanjay Rana, Sanjay Rana, Sanjay Rana, you are scuttling discussion. Sanjay Rana, you are scuttling discussion. Sanjay Rana, you are scuttling discussion. You are scuttling discussion and discourse. I said I will come back to you, sir, with all due respect. You are eating. Sanjay Rana, if you want to make a point to your viewers, you got to make it in a way that is really understandable. You are shouting and not allowing anyone to speak. It's not going to help, sir. Let Nigat Abbas come. Let her speak. I will come right back to you. Go ahead, Ms. Nigat Abbas. Please go back to Nigat Abbas. Yes, Ms. Nigat Abbas.
How insensitive everybody has become around us, I do not understand. I don't understand why are these people blindfolded towards the students who have been on the streets protesting on a non-violent hunger strike. Sorry, the government is not, trying to held accountable about that. I mean, if the questions are being asked from the government, it is the responsibility and the duty of the government to answer. Today, the student of our country, Indian students, my God, maybe also if that's what, gives a year to your head, is that Hindu students also were there who are on the streets. They're left, they've been forced, they've put to such a desperation that they're on the streets demanding accountability. But what the government cannot do is have a dialogue with these students. The students are treated on the streets with lathis and force like they're criminals. I mean, since when asking for accountability has been criminalized in my country? I do not understand. There are also news that there are students who are literally on ventilator, a couple of students. I hope that those are fake news. But I have myself seen in the videos all over the internet that yes, the kids are being haunted by the Delhi police. Is this how you treat the young people of our country who are asking for the accountability of the education crisis in our country? Please go back to that protest site, Mr. Speak to the parents who lost their kids because they made examination was being sorry.
The party who has never thinking about the education to implement the education system
to the
strongly
students' parents,
is talking about the
students who have
students
lost their lives, the parents who lost
who
their
is the
children.
student over there. I have not seen any student. Nikhat, they were the Aam Aadmi Party
Okay,
Karkarta.
okay, Nigat, let Sanjay Rana speak. Nigat, Sanjay Rana. Sanjay Rana, are you saying that you haven't seen any student there protest?
No, he hasn't. He has done.
No, hold it. Nigat, let it be. Let Sanjay Rana respond.
जब बच्चों की बात आती है
Nigat Abbas, let Sanjay Rana speak. Sanjay Rana, are you saying there's been no students? There have been no apolitical, non-political students, and even if they are political students, so it be. You are Sanjay Rana. If you go on talking, how are you going to respond to questions, sir?
Which question?
I am coming to you, Sanjay Rana. I am asking you the questions.
Yes, I'll give you the
Listen
answer.
to me, respond to me, Sanjay Rana. Are you saying there are no students there who are protesting?
Hang on. 2004 PMT examination is not, paper leak was not there. 2013 SSC combined graduate, it was not leaked. 2010 national insurance recruitment was not paper leak. I'm just giving couple of examples. Number one, I'm coming to that question. Nikhat Abbas, you do not have a right to talk. You
it
do
is
not have a
wrong.
right to talk
Do
on
you
behalf
even
of
realize
Congress
You,
party.
but Sanjay Rana,
And the word
to be
party
fair,
can be
you,
spokesperson
Sanjay Rana,
like
to be
a
fair,
Deepak
you
Abba,
listed out
who
the
could
exams
have
that were
been
not,
changing the focus.
Sanjay Rana,
Do
to
you
be
even
fair, you
realize
listed
that
out exams that
the
not were leaked, were not leaked. Can you
Oh my
list out the
God, how
exams
can
that
you
were
asking
leaked?
your
Because
facts are
we
not
have
clear?
it. But can
Madam,
you
I'm
list out
sorry,
the
I think
exams
your
that were
facts are
leaked?
not clear. Please go and check your facts. Stay in
party?
front of me. I'm talking about the facts. I'm coming to your question.
Illogical human
Obviously, two
beings.
students were there.
Illogical,
Absolutely, students were there.
Okay,
I'm
all
not
right.
denying.
I'll
But
allow
what is
I'll allow us to
basic
come to a
exam?
point of discourse. Let me just get in at this point. Ishita Singh. Ishita, can you hear us?
Yes, I can hear you. Just
All,
give me a second. I'll fix my camera. Yeah,
okay.
let's
Ishita,
start.
you
Hi.
were part of the protests as well.
Yeah.
Tell us what you have seen, what's happening on the ground.
First of all, I would like to say one thing. It's very sad to listen Sanjay Rana, whatever he's saying. It's
No,
so
I'm
sad to
asking very
listen.
simple
I just
questions.
hope, please do
She
not
appeared for
interrupt when I'm
examination.
talking.
She
Please do not
appeared
interrupt when
for
I'm
NEET
talking.
examination.
Please do not interrupt when I'm talking.
Tell me
Do
the college
not
names.
interrupt when
What
I'm
the course you're
talking.
doing.
Do
What is
not
your
interrupt
ideology?
when
Tell
I'm
me everything.
talking.
Don't give
If
Sanjay,
me
you
a
keep
Sanjay
statement of
Rana,
if you
Sanjay
keep
ideology.
Rana,
shouting like
Sanjay
that,
Rana,
Whenever
there
you
is
don't
no
want to take
Sanjay Rana,
anything,
Sanjay
that's
Rana,
what
Sanjay
BJP
Rana,
does. That's what you
Sanjay
are
Rana,
doing.
I'm just
Sanjay
asking
Rana
you
and
Keep
Ishita,
question.
both
shouting.
of you.
You just
I'm
keep
Sanjay
asking
Rana,
shouting,
basic
sitting
Ishita,
question.
both of you.
everybody's
Can
Sanjay
point.
you
Rana,
can you
Nobody will
tell
go
Sanjay
ahead
me
and
Rana and
understand
have you
Ishita, there
appeared
is
anything.
for
no,
any
nothing that
examination?
has been
Have
hidden
you
at this
appeared
point.
any
Everybody
competitive
knows who
examination?
Ishita is. And if that really makes any difference to you,
No,
Ishita,
no,
go ahead,
no,
give us
it
your
makes
introduction
difference.
itself.
It makes
Give us
difference.
your
I
introduction,
appeared
tell
for
us
the
who you
IPS
are, what your
That
political
examination.
leanings are,
doesn't
and what
change
your
my
family is. Go ahead.
identity.
Examination,
That
and
doesn't
she's
change
talking
my
about
identity.
Sure,
You
and
be
that's
a
why you're
youth
here
of
on
the
the
country.
show.
what
Speak
kind of
about
protest
it.
she's talking about.
That doesn't change the identity.
All
Now
right,
keep
let's get
standing
back to what the
individually.
discourse is.
Do not go
She
on
never
my
appeared for
father.
any
I'm
competitive
Eshita,
not
as well
individually
as
examination.
talking
Sanjay
about
Rana.
the youth.
Sanjay Rana, Ishita,
You are
both of
such a
you.
headless
Sanjay
person.
Rana, Sanjay
You are
Rana,
such a
Ishita,
headless
both of you.
person.
I think let Ishita speak.
He's such
Everybody
a
knows
headless
who her
person.
father is. Everybody knows what the political leanings are.
We are
She's
not
there
there
as
for
part
father
of the
and mother.
protest, as
We
Mr.
are
Sanjay
there for
Rana,
the
you were.
facts.
And
We
therefore
are
you were
there
called
for
on the
the
show.
Can you
facts.
please
Let
mute his
Ishita
mic?
speak.
Can you
Ishita,
please
go
mute
ahead.
his mic?
And we are
Ishita,
inviting
go
that
ahead.
girl
Can you
to
please
come
mute
and
his
talk on
mic?
behalf
I
of the
unfortunately
students.
can't.
Why
I
not
would allow democracy,
Please
unlike
appear
how
for
it's happening
me.
outside. But Ishita,
I'm
if you
asking
can,
very
go ahead and
simple
continue
questions.
your point.
Ask her
Okay,
to tell
I
me
want to
what the food paper means.
make few points clear here. Whosoever my father is, I am not sitting, I am not going in the protest for that. If that would have been my agenda, I would have been with my father in the protest. I was with the people who are affected by the NEET paper leak. I was with the student on the ground. I saw the things happening in front of my eyes. Police tried to arrested me as well. Luckily, I got saved because I have some stamina in my body. I tried to, retaliate my arrest with them, and that's what they're trying to do. They're just trying to break you to a level where we look wrong and they look right. But sadly, now because of the social media, they cannot do that anymore. People are seeing the videos how they are beating the girls, how they are beating the children, how they are brutally beating the man and the youth of our country. And it is so sad that today sitting here and we are discussing a political party here. It's a topic of youth. It is topic of everybody. It is
Garden
not
to
a
play
topic of
around.
any political party.
What was the
ये
kindergarten
कोई
to play
political
around?
party का मुद्दा
What
नहीं है.
children were doing?
Please,
First
please,
of all, you
everybody
need to
get
set
this
your
straight in
So,
your head.
expectation
Ishita,
We
while
are
you're
not
saying that
supporter of
this is
any
not
party.
an issue of politics
agenda
or this is not a
opposition
political party affiliated
on the
issue,
name of
you know, the
student
question
who
here is,
never appeared for any
aren't the
competitive
parties that are
examination.
leading this? Now you have Rahul Gandhi outside the Prime Minister's residence. You have
Rahul
Congress
Gandhi
outside
is
the
the
Prime
leader
Minister's
of
residence. You
propaganda.
have
You're
political
talking about
bigwigs
Rahul
going and
Gandhi,
joining
leader of
CJP,
propaganda, who came
CJP
from
for that
Ramgarh
matter is a
after
political
22
party
days,
as well that
and
has
he
been
just
registered.
I
So it
agree.
is a
I
political
agree.
party,
I
and what's the
totally
problem in
agree to
saying
your
that it doesn't?
point.
You don't have to shy away from it being a political protest as well.
I am not.
No, no.
I am not. No. So I am saying here, see, there are different agendas of different people. If you will talk about me individually, I was a part of a protest which was against the NEET paper leak. I was not there as a CJP member. I was not there as a Aam Aadmi Party member. I was not there as a BJP member. I was not there as a Congress member.
everyone was
I was there as a citizen
clapping
of
on
the
the name
country
of
who's
Sita's
seeing
husband.
wrong things happening in the
Everyone was
country and
clapping
raising
when
our
the lady
voice
was
on that.
talking about Allah,
It is
Allah.
nothing.
Everyone was
If
clapping
even if
there.
the political parties
Why
are
you
coming
were
in front and
talking
talking about the
RSS,
issue, good for
Bharatiya
them. At
Janata
least they
Party?
have just
Why you were talking about
the courage
why
to
you were
talk
talking
about it. But
about
people who are
RSS?
not
Why you
talking
were
about it again,
defaming
that doesn't matter. The
Hindus?
point still
It
stands
was
here that we
against the
want the
protest.
resignation,
Then we
and not
everyone
only the
spoke about the
resignation,
protest.
we want the changes in the education system. That's how we're gonna solve the problem. आप बने रहिए बीजेपी के, आप बनाइए एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर बीजेपी का, but set a minimum eligible criteria for an education minister. Not any uneducated person will come in the country, become the education minister, and lead the youth of our country and destroy the future of our country.
But Ishita,
They cannot do that.
I mean, all governments for that matter don't have a very great track record when it comes to education ministers and their education qualifications. Governments after governments will
agree to
fail
you. I
miserably
agree
with
to you.
that.
I
So how
agree
much
to
of
you.
that really can
I
be the
agree to you.
backdrop of selecting a minister? I mean, however you want to
I
boast or
think
not
it-
boast about it, but Indian ministers don't really boast of a trajectory of great education qualifications for that matter.
That's what we want to talk about. That's what we want to talk about here. Resignation is not the solution. Resignation is a step, but after the resignation, we want certain alteration in the education system. That's how we will fix the problem permanently. If we will ask the resignation today, one person will resign. Tomorrow, again, an uneducated person will come in the do the same thing. We will go through with the same thing. What is this? Is not the solution. The solution is that we have to make the alteration in the education system
But
for the
Ishita,
youth, for the future.
would you also agree that, you know, obviously the government is on the back foot. Obviously the government is on the back foot. And firefighting for what? Something that's gone beyond their threshold, Sanjay, and I'll just come to you. But isn't this also the truth, and would you agree with this, that the opposition itself lost out on a space that it should have been steering? You had to have a CJP from nowhere, a Wanchuk that's returned from jail, to be able to create a space for protests.
The question is for me.
See, I mean, one thing I would like to say on that the people of the country, they raise their voice, when everything gets all destroyed, and that is the problem. But after yesterday's protest, what we saw yesterday, the kind of rage, the kind of aggression, the kind of change the youth wants in the education system will clearly we're gonna win this battle. We're gonna win this battle. No matter how much you're gonna beat us, we're still gonna stick to the points we want the change in the education system. आप किसी भी political party को लाइए power में, but आप education system को ठीक करिए. If you will
Sanjay
not
Rana,
gonna do
please
that,
respond.
we'll keep gonna talk about it.
Can I answer to her?
Yes, go ahead, Sanjay Rana, yours.
Very simple. You have invited an influencer who has been changing the goalpost. How? We are not asking for resignation. If you're not asking for resignation, what you're doing there? Number one.
I'm asking
Number
for
two,
resignation.
when
That
you
was
say-
my first point. Hear it clearly.
Hang on,
Hear it
so-called
clearly.
activists.
Clear,
Hang
clean
on.
your ears.
I know
Clean
not
your
appeared for
ears.
any examination.
Clean your ears.
I know
Clean
you aren't
your
even
ears.
qualified for
Clean
any
your ears.
examination. I know not ever qualified
Clean your
for it.
ears. Clean your
Coming to the
ears.
point.
Sorry, Sanjay
Coming-
Rana,
Please
what did
continue.
you just say? I didn't hear what you said. Your
I
last point.
said she not appeared for any examination, competitive examination. I'm challenging.
No,
you.
that
does it
doesn't matter
matter?
that I cannot speak for the
No, no,
country.
no, no.
That's a bullshit of
This
you.
does matter.
That's
Does
a
that
bullshit
matter?
statement of
How
yours.
does that matter?
One minute. I'm coming to the point.
How does
Your
that
question.
matter?
Simple as that. She said they were not asking for resignation of the minister, number one. If you are not asking for resignation of any minister, the why protest was there, number two. Number three, when you're saying you need to change the system, I'm asking very categorically, so-called activist and so-called Congress spokesperson and so-called Sonam Wangchuk, give me the blueprint which we need to implement. Why Congress was
If
not
they also give
implemented
you a
by
blueprint,
policy
then what will the government do, sir?
I'm coming to the point. 2014, any policy not implemented, and why budget was only 28,000 crore rupees? Right now, 128,000 crore rupees.
And
There
he
is
has that
something is there,
audacity.
which people would like to do it, and government is trying to put it. Why there was not any law to maintain or control the paper leak? There was no law as such before 2024. Why it was? And please understand, she called so-called
Given
Gen
this
Zs.
man a
Please
foolish
respect
Twitter
Gen Zs.
bottle.
And 25,000 people, 25,000 youngsters cannot decide the destiny of my country where
Who
145
should?
crore people are staying.
Who should?
They are not our role
Who should
models.
decide the
They
destiny?
are just activists, those who are doing on behalf of some political party, nothing else.
Sir,
Give him some
activists,
brain, please. Give him some
politicians,
brain.
anybody. I
He's a
think
brain
one
dead
thing
chicken.
all of us would agree
I
is
have a better brain.
in
I
a
qualified
democracy,
You are a
examination.
brainless
I
chicken.
cannot be
passed
clamped
You are a
down,
brainless
and the
chicken.
government
You are a
must
brainless
listen
chicken.
to
Don't
dissent.
come to me. I'm
Must
not like
listen to
you.
You are a
dissent.
brainless chicken. If
I
you
have
will
Shivaji
come to me,
Sarkarji
dude,
waiting for a
I
very
will
long
come to
time
you.
patiently.
I
Let
will
me just
come
go
to
to
you.
him.
Do
Let me
not
just go
Yes,
across
question
to
Miss
him.
my
Activist,
agenda.
you are
Shivaji
Do
not
Sarkar,
not
even
thank you
question
so much
my
for your
agenda.
patience.
Do
eligible to
not
qualify
question
an
my
exam.
You
agenda.
have seen
Do not.
many
Do
such
not.
You
leaks,
are not even
Keep
paper
quiet.
leaks,
Keep
or even
quiet.
government
qualified
Keep
exam.
changes,
quiet there.
You are
Keep quiet in your
agitations.
house. Hide in your house.
What do you
Hide in
make
your
out
house.
of what you are seeing?
One thing I must say that yes, the system needs a change. And we have seen the change that is being ushered in, that is being told that we have introduced a change, that's not a change. You see, for years together, I have been associated with various kinds of exams and other things. I've never seen this kind of a chaotic situation. Who were holding those examinations? IITs have been for years together, donkey's numbers of years, not now, from the 60s onwards. They have been holding the joint entrance examination, the JEE, the most coveted examination. Have we ever found any problem with that? I never seen it. Various institutions like Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIMC, to various other, even for MBA examinations, there is no problem. Why the papers don't leak there? This is one thing one needs to really understand. All these examinations, if you see, are not being outsourced. What is today happening is outsourcing. And what is outsourcing? Those who do it, they are some business people. They want to earn some quick money at the cost of the students and the entire system. And they do not know anything about how to set even a question paper. What they are doing, computer में feed कर दो और बच्चे को निकाल दो. It is not an automatic system. And every exam and for every subject in university, the CUT itself has failed totally. University themselves agree on it. Why? Because there are many subjects where only one or two students look for that, not more than that. Some maybe 3, 4, 5 like that, and there are dozens and more than some. But you have to appear for CUT. Why? Why you do need CUT for that? I really can't understand that. Yes, there are some subjects where there is a large demand. You need to have a system, perhaps. Fine, do it. But who are you leaving it to? Why outsource it again? You see what is being outsourced. Why don't you trust the faculty? Why don't you give the responsibility to the faculty? The faculty has been doing it for all these examinations before this certain thing was introduced. And faculty, and not only the faculty, entire staff of an institute is to take pride that we have to do our best in doing it. They have to check aptitude, they have to check many other things, the language, and many other things are there. For each, it is a different issue. It is not that one exam is match for the other one. It doesn't. And what we have done is that everything is must come out from one stream, and that is where the first mistake is there. Second is the evaluation system, they do not know how to evaluate. Either computers would evaluate or someone would evaluate. They do not know how to evaluate a living being. They are not machines. So all these things, somehow the new students, they are coming, they are not aware of all that, and they should have raised this demand. We do not want this kind of an examinations.
Right.
We do not want a centralized system. We want a system where their individual talent, merit, aptitude would be tested. It can't be a mechanical way done. And that is where the entire problem is coming, and that is where the entire education is facing a problem.
Sanjay Rana, I can see you shake your head in complete disbelief. Go ahead, respond.
I'm sorry to say that, but I don't know whether these guys are doing any exercise or not. Somebody was talking, a senior journalist, I respect him a lot, but I fail to understand they're still outsourcing. Please understand, my dear sir, I applied for JE, and obviously paper has to set by some professor. Only difference between this examination NEET and the JE examination is CBT. That's the only difference. Otherwise,
That's not
everything
really the
is
only
same.
difference, you know. And just between
That is
you and
not the
me,
difference.
Sanjay Rana,
I know the
because
exams
a
very
very
well. That is
simple
not
thing,
the
a
difference.
very simple thing, really. You don't have IIT JE examinations leak. And this is not the first NEET examination that is
No, no,
getting
no,
leaked.
one minute,
And
1 minute.
after the NEET
2004
examination
PMD
as
exam
well,
was
there
not
have
leaked.
been leaks that have happened.
Yeah.
There is a
So
whole
government,
range.
therefore,
So
the
there cannot
government,
be just
therefore,
one
the
difference
government
between
is
the two.
taking
Range
action.
since BAPM, the biggest scam that has happened in the examination system.
Sir,
Nobody
if
talks
Sanjay
I'm
about
Rana,
it.
go
going
ahead,
to
make your
open
point.
the
Sanjay Rana, make your
file,
point.
if I'm going to open the from 1947 till date, then you will shut your mouth and say, sorry, boss, you are giving all the proof. Please don't give me.
Sorry?
Don't go on that. We are talking about NEET. Let's stick to NEET. Because
Why
our
NEET?
students
It
have
has to
faced
be
the
the entire
problem.
examination system. It is just not NEET.
Arey boss,
The education
what was the
system is
examination
not
system was
now.
there in your era?
Not just trying
In
to,
your
you trying
era,
to
what
justify
was the
that whatever
examination
mistake that will
system?
be final.
And
That
what
is
was
not
the
what
budget
it
in
is.
Congress government and what is the budget at this
Sir,
point of
I'm
time?
not bothered
You
what
sir,
is
just
Congress
when
or
the
BJP.
Congress
I'm
government
bothered
was
what
there and they
my
were in
students
power
say.
and the leaks that happened, including the Rajasthan Congress government, they had to pay a very high price, including not coming back to power. Questions that were
That
asked
is
day in
secondary.
and day out.
No, power,
So let's
coming
not
to
get to
power,
Congress era. We
not
will
coming
get back
to
to
the
Congress
power,
era when the
that is
Congress
not
comes
the
to
discuss
power.
point.
For
The
now, it
discuss
is the
point
BJP in
here
power
is,
and we are asking the
if
BJP.
anything happened, then how soon, how soon and how fast the government is taking the action, that is very important. Here the
How
government has
soon,
taken
sir?
action.
They were not even open to dialogue all these days that they were
So why
protesting.
dialogue? Dialogue with
There have
whom?
been 20
Dialogue with whom?
over-
Who is the leader?
over-
Why you want Deepke should be a leader of the student?
Why not?
Why you
Why
want
not?
Deepke should treat as a leader of
Is
this
there a reason
student?
why
I
not
don't
to
see
have him
that.
as a leader?
I don't find him. He has written any mail, any letter to government officials? No. If he's not written anything, there was a yesterday's protest, and where they were enjoying the life. All the spokesperson, including Mr. Deepke, was enjoying the life. And who was getting beaten by the police? Obviously, the innocent student, so-called student.
Innocent students.
No, I so-called student.
Innocent students. You were saying the
So-called.
students not even there in the
Finally,
protest.
he agreed to one thing, that innocent student.
Till now you were
My
saying there were
God,
students
no.
not even there.
So-called. In
Accepting
your
that.
sense, Miss Activist, not qualifying examination.
All right, okay.
not
Nigat
helping
Bhagat,
people
your
and
last
others.
response. Nigat Bhagat, go ahead, your last response.
You
Okay, let's just Nigat Bhagat speak. Nigat Bhagat, sorry, Nigat Abbas. I beg your pardon. Nigat Abbas, go ahead, make your
Which you don't
last
have.
remarks.
Go and talk to their family.
You
Have
just
some
put it
empathy.
happily.
Show
You're a
some
happily
empathy.
girl. Go
The
and
God
do
is
your
watching
happily
me.
bazi.
The God is
You
watching.
can't qualify
Show
an
them
examination.
Okay, all right,
There are
all right, all
11
right.
lakhs
Young
people
men
who
and
have
women.
qualified the exam, and they were enjoying
Because we are not
it.
willing to
They were
address
enjoying
the
their
students
quota,
and we
they
call
were
them
happy.
so-called
And
students.
the students
Mr.
like
Sanjay
you
Rana,
crying.
Mr.
Because
Sanjay
you
Rana,
are
Mr.
paid.
Sanjay Rana, Ishita
You are
Singh,
paid.
allow Nigat Abbas her time. Nigat Abbas, go ahead. I give you 30 seconds. Make your last point.
I can once Mr. Rana and Ishita stops. You know, this is so sad and this is so disheartening that on the panel today, when we've seen such a dark day in the history of Indian politics, that the students were beaten up like criminals, yet again on the panel,
What
we're just
exactly
making a
happened in
mockery of them.
Karnataka?
We're just making
And
the mockery
today
of the students who've been beaten
Punjab?
up. We're just making the
You want
mockery
to
of the
show me
deaths
the
of the
visuals?
students. We're just making the mockery of the 22 lakh students. We're just making the mockery of the entire
I'm not
nation today.
mocking.
Sorry.
I'm not mocking. I'm showing the face
No,
to the so-called activists who cannot even qualify a single exam.
I can't be doing this. Sorry.
Go ahead, Nigat. Go
So
ahead, go
please
ahead.
ask the human being to
Go
just
ahead,
shut up. This is
go
the
ahead,
right way
go
when
ahead.
it comes
Nigat,
to the
Nigat,
students.
go ahead.
Just ask
I don't
the
want the
students.
time to be taken away. Go ahead, Nigat. Make your point.
We have to talk about the students. I mean, look out, go out. Do not be so blindfolded. Look at the students. Everybody, the entire nation has been standing together for these students. These students are just asking for
Okay.
accountability. You start treating them like terrorists and criminals. This is not fair. This is not right.
Okay.
This is not how we lead our country. Sorry. PM Modi, HM, and Dharmendra Pradhan has to take the accountability, and somebody for a reason has to come and say that yes, this is going to be rectified, but on moral grounds.
Okay, all right,
Dharmendra
completely
Pradhan
out of time. Completely out of time. Ishita, your 12 seconds. Go ahead.
Article 370 was not a terrorist of war.
Ishita, go ahead. Your 12 seconds.
I just wanna say that we want a change in the education system. Whosoever come in the power, we just want to request them, please, for our future, for the youth, do it. We are your future. If you will die, if you will, kill us like this, we have no place to speak our voice, to, really, sound out and make you listen and understand what is happening wrong in the country. Here we are not talking about any party. Here we are not talking about who is right, who is
All right.
right, who is
Shivaji
wrong.
Sarkar,
And
your last
today,
last
I'm
remark,
here
please.
to talk about the right things. Whether I've completed for the NEET exam, whether I have not completed for the NEET exam. That is not the
Okay, all right. Don't. All right. Shivaji Sarkar, go ahead. Make your last remarks, please.
My simple submission is
Shivaji Sarkar, go ahead. All right, we seem to have some problem with the network. Thank you very much, all of you, for bringing in your perspectives. Certainly, the country hasn't heard the last word on this. Shivaji Sarkar, Ishita Singh, Nigat Abbas, as well as Sanjay Rana. Thank you so much.